GitLab brings simplicity to managing your issues with issue templates. Looking at the Awesome Co organization, their ops group has built out some templates within a shared repo. Put simply, templates are markdown files that live in a repo. Here, we see a template that's been created for a bug or defect. Here you can use GitLab's quick actions to automatically apply a bug label or triage label whenever this bug template is used. You can standardize all your groups of projects to use the same set of templates, so you can manage centrally from one project. To do this, simply go into top-level group settings, select Templates, and select the appropriate project. Let's say you need to create a bug issue in the API project, for example. You can go into this project, create a new issue, select the template, and add a note. Here you can enter the steps you want GitLab to reproduce based on the templates that you've defined. Now, all you have to do is set a title and create the issue. Now, GitLab automatically applies the labels we set in our bug template. Templates help you standardize the intake of new issue creation and standardize metadata that gets applied when you create new issues. When it comes to analytics, GitLab allows for two kinds of reporting. One is repository reports, which engineering managers can use to gauge productivity. The other is insights reports, where you can create customizable dashboards and report on issue and merge request behavior. Within Ops, an insights.yaml file has been created. Let's say you want to have one dashboard page in your company insights for the overview. Here, you can see all the opened by type work items, which are grouped by week, as well as the closed by type issues also grouped by week. Now that you've created an issue template in Ops, you can go into the Awesome Co project settings and choose the report template you want to apply to this group. In the Insights report, you can see the number of work items opened per week by work item type. You can also see the number of work items closed per week by type. Once back on board view, you can easily drag issues to close them, and this gets reflected automatically in the Insights report. Issue templates enable custom reporting and custom analytics directly within group level. You can even apply them to any other group level as needed.
Wow.